dogs don't always cry out when they're hurting. Instead, they show subtle signs that most owners miss. If you can recognize these signals, you can help your dog feel better faster. In this video, we'll cover 11 silent signs that could mean your dog is in pain. If your dog does any of these, don't ignore it. Subscribe to Positive TV and let's dive in. Sign number 1. Changes in appetite. Dogs are typically eager eaters, making any sudden change in appetite a reason for concern. If your dog starts eating less or refuses food altogether, it may indicate an underlying health issue. Pain, nausea, or digestive discomfort can make eating unpleasant, leading your dog to avoid meals. While a single skipped meal may not be alarming, ongoing appetite loss requires attention. Dental problems are a common cause of eating difficulties. If your dog chews on one side, drops food, or hesitates before taking a bite, they may have a toothache, gum disease, or a broken tooth. Pain in the mouth can make eating painful, leading your dog to prefer soft foods or avoid eating altogether. A vet can check for dental issues and recommend treatment if necessary. Nausea and digestive problems can also lead to appetite loss. If your dog sniffs their food but walks away, they may feel nauseous due to an upset stomach, infection, or organ dysfunction. If your dog refuses food for more than 24 hours or shows other symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, or weight loss, a vet visit is necessary to determine the cause. Sign number 2. Altered gait or posture. A healthy dog moves smoothly and confidently. If you notice your dog limping, moving stiffly, or holding their body in an unusual way, they may be experiencing pain. Injuries, arthritis, or muscle soreness can make it difficult for them to walk, run, or jump. Even mild discomfort can cause subtle changes in movement. Signs of pain-related movement issues include hesitation when jumping, slow or stiff walking, or standing with an unusual posture. Dogs with joint pain, spinal issues, or sore paws may avoid putting weight on certain limbs or shift their stance to relieve discomfort. Some may also struggle to get up after resting or seem reluctant to go on walks. If your dog's movement changes suddenly or worsens over time, consult a veterinarian. Early intervention can help manage conditions like arthritis, prevent further injury, and keep your dog comfortable. Pain management treatments, lifestyle adjustments, and supportive care can improve mobility and quality of life. Sign number 3. Whining or whimpering. Dogs use vocalizations to communicate their needs and emotions. If your dog starts whining, whimpering, or yelping frequently, they may be in pain or distress. While some dogs are naturally more vocal than others, sudden or excessive whining usually signals discomfort. Pain is a common reason for whining. Joint pain, stomach pain, or injuries can cause dogs to vocalize, especially when they move or are touched. Dogs experiencing internal discomfort may whimper even when resting. Anxiety and stress can also lead to whining, but if your dog seems physically uncomfortable, pain is the more likely cause. Pay attention to when and why your dog is whining. If they vocalize when walking, jumping, or being touched, pain is a strong possibility. If whining is persistent and unexplained, a vet visit is recommended to rule out injuries, infections, or other health issues. Addressing pain early can help prevent further discomfort and improve your dog's well-being. Sign number 4. Panting or rapid breathing. Panting is normal for dogs, especially after exercise or in warm weather. However, if your dog is panting heavily when they haven't been active or aren't overheated, it may be a sign of stress, pain, or an underlying health problem. Excessive panting can indicate discomfort, and it's important to pay attention to when and why it occurs. Pain often triggers panting as the body responds to stress. Dogs experiencing joint pain, stomach issues, or injuries may pant more than usual, even when resting. In some cases, panting can signal heart or respiratory problems. If your dog breathes rapidly, struggles to inhale, or flares their nostrils while breathing, they could be experiencing serious discomfort. If panting is sudden, extreme, or accompanied by signs like restlessness, drooling, or lethargy, seek veterinary care immediately. Heavy breathing without an obvious cause should never be ignored, as it may indicate a life-threatening issue such as heat stroke, lung disease, or heart failure. Early intervention can prevent complications and keep your dog safe. Sign number 5, changes in sleep patterns. Dogs sleep a lot, but sudden changes in their sleep habits can signal a problem. If your dog is sleeping more than usual, they may be trying to recover from pain or illness. On the other hand, if they have trouble settling down, change sleeping positions frequently, or seem restless, they may be uncomfortable. Pain can make it difficult for dogs to find a comfortable position. A dog experiencing joint pain, muscle soreness, or internal discomfort may toss and turn, wake up frequently, or avoid lying on a certain side. Some dogs may shift to sleeping in unusual places, such as cool tile floors, to relieve discomfort. If you notice your dog struggling to sleep or acting more tired than normal, watch for other signs of pain, like limping, whining, or changes in appetite. Sleep disturbances caused by pain should be addressed promptly, as poor rest can affect a dog's overall health and well-being. A vet can help identify the source of discomfort and recommend treatment options. Sign number 6, lack of interest in activities. Dogs are naturally curious and playful. If your dog suddenly loses interest in walks, toys, or greeting you at the door, this is a red flag. Pain can make even the most enjoyable activities feel exhausting, leading your dog to withdraw from daily routines. Joint pain, injuries, or internal illnesses can cause a noticeable drop in energy. A dog that used to run and jump with enthusiasm may now hesitate before moving or avoid certain activities altogether. If your dog seems reluctant to get up, climb stairs, or play, they may be in pain and trying to minimize movement. If your dog's energy level changes suddenly, it's important to look for other signs of discomfort. Watch for stiffness, limping, or changes in appetite. A vet visit can help determine whether the issue is due to pain, illness, or another medical condition. Addressing the problem early can improve your dog's quality of life and prevent further complications. Sign number 7, changes in elimination habits. A dog's bathroom habits can reveal a lot about their health. If your dog suddenly struggles to urinate or defecate, takes longer than usual, or has accidents inside the house, pain may be the cause. Arthritis, digestive problems, or bladder discomfort can make squatting difficult or cause hesitation before going. These changes should not be ignored, especially if they happen suddenly. Painful conditions such as urinary tract infections, constipation, or anal gland issues can make elimination uncomfortable. If your dog yelps, strains, or seems reluctant to go, they may be experiencing discomfort. Older dogs with joint pain might struggle to squat properly, making bathroom trips difficult. If they start having accidents indoors despite being house-trained, it could be because they are avoiding the pain of squatting. Some dogs also show avoidance behaviors, such as refusing to walk on grass, hesitating on stairs, or being reluctant to go outside. If your dog avoids their usual bathroom routine or shows signs of pain while eliminating, schedule a vet visit. Identifying the cause early can help prevent further discomfort and ensure your dog stays healthy. Sign number 8, self-soothing behaviors. Dogs often try to comfort themselves when they experience pain. If your dog constantly licks, chews, or bites at a specific area, they may be dealing with joint pain, an infection, or allergies. While occasional grooming is normal, excessive licking or biting is a sign of discomfort and should be taken seriously. Painful joints, sore muscles, or irritated skin can cause dogs to focus on certain spots. For example, dogs with arthritis may lick their paws or legs to relieve joint pain. Skin infections, hot spots, or allergies can also lead to persistent licking. Over time, this behavior can worsen the problem, leading to raw, inflamed skin and secondary infections. If your dog has a red or irritated area from excessive licking, check for signs of swelling, heat, or tenderness. Addressing the underlying cause early can prevent further damage. A vet can determine whether the issue is due to joint pain, an infection, or another medical condition and provide the right treatment to help your dog feel better. Sign number 9, changes in social interaction. A dog's behavior around people and other pets can change when they are in pain. A normally friendly dog that suddenly avoids contact hides, or acts distant may be feeling unwell. Some dogs prefer to be left alone when they are hurting, while others become more clingy and seek constant reassurance from their owners. Dogs in pain may flinch, growl, or snap when touched, especially if the sore area is bumped. A dog that once enjoyed belly rubs may suddenly avoid them or tense up when petted. If they retreat to a quiet spot, seem unusually withdrawn, or resist being handled, they may be trying to protect a painful area. If your dog's social behavior shifts suddenly, pay attention to other signs of discomfort, such as limping, whining, or changes in appetite. Avoid forcing interaction if your dog seems uncomfortable, and consult a vet to rule out pain-related issues. Recognizing these behavioral changes early can help address the problem before it worsens. Sign number 10. Changes in grooming habits. Dogs naturally groom themselves to stay clean and comfortable. If your dog suddenly stops grooming, it may be a sign that something is wrong. Pain from arthritis, muscle soreness, or injury can make bending and twisting difficult. A dog with joint pain may avoid licking or scratching certain areas simply because it hurts too much to move in that way. This can lead to an unkempt coat, dirt buildup, or even matted fur, especially in long-haired breeds. On the other hand, excessive grooming of a specific area can indicate discomfort. Dogs may repeatedly lick or chew at a painful spot, whether it's due to joint pain, an injury, or even an underlying skin condition. This behavior is often an attempt to self-soothe, but it can make things worse by causing irritation, sores, or infections. Over time, persistent licking can lead to bald patches or inflamed skin, making the problem more noticeable. If you notice a sudden change in your dog's grooming habits, examine their body for any signs of redness, swelling, or sensitivity. If they avoid cleaning themselves or focus too much on one area, it's important to have them checked by a vet. Ignoring these signs can lead to further health issues, including infections or worsening joint pain. Sign number 11. Subtle changes in facial expressions. Dogs don't speak, but they communicate through body language and facial expressions. When a dog is in pain, their face often shows subtle signs of discomfort. Squinting or half-closing the eyes can indicate pain, especially if the discomfort is near the head or face. Dogs in pain may also have a tight jaw or appear tense around the mouth. These small changes can be easy to miss, but are important signals of distress. Another common sign of pain is a change in your position. If your dog's ears are pinned back, held lower than usual, or seem tense, they may be feeling discomfort. A furrowed brow or a worried expression can also indicate pain. Dogs instinctively try to hide their suffering, but careful observation of their facial movements can reveal what they're feeling. If your dog seems more distant, avoids eye contact, or looks more anxious than usual, they may be experiencing pain. Combine facial expressions with other body language cues, such as posture, movement, and vocalizations, to get a clearer picture of their well-being. If these subtle changes persist, a vet visit can help determine the cause and provide relief for your dog. Dogs hide pain well, but these 11 signs can help you recognize when something is wrong. If you notice any of these behaviors, don't wait. Schedule a vet visit. Have you ever seen these signs in your dog? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more pet health tips.